Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I welcome you all once again to my channel in English. This is about the upcoming 2022 New Year predictions. Right from the first zodiac sign Aries to Pisces, we'll be seeing the predictions for this 2022, a separate videos for each and every zodiac sign. Unlike the previous years, let us hope this 2022 brings you all good fortune, prosperity, happiness, everything. I wish you all a very happy 2022 ahead. Now we will see the planetary positions during the beginning of the 2022 as well as the end of 2022. If you are new to this channel, keep the channel subscribed so that you can get my updates instantly. Also share my videos to your friends and groups. This year 2022, we will be seeing two major transit. One is Rahu Ketu, which is on 12th of April 2022, where Rahu moves from Taurus to Aries. As you all know, Rahu Ketu moves in a backward direction, that is anti-clockwise. So, from 12th onwards till the end of the year, Rahu will be in the Aries, that is the first zodiac sign. So if you consider the 12 months of 2022, the major period of Rahu is based on Aries rather than from Taurus. So in Taurus we will be having the effect of Rahu just for 3 months. Also there will be Jupiter transit. We have already seen about the Jupiter transit recently on November 20th. Now again Jupiter moves from Aquarius to Pisces on 13th of April 2022. And stays there for long till this year. So these two major transit which will definitely have a major impact. So Jupiter also in a major portion it will be there on the Pisces, and in Aquarius it will be just for 3 months and 12 days like Rahu Ketu. Considering the effect of Rahu on Taurus and Ketu on Scorpio, again considering the Jupiter's position at the Aquarius, which is very short time of 3 months and 12 days, and the next transit where Rahu moves to Taurus to Aries and be there for almost 8 months, and Ketu moves from Scorpio to Libra and it will be there for almost the similar 8 months. Jupiter again moves to Pisces and be there for 8 months. So considering all these effects, we'll be seeing the predictions for each and every zodiac sign. Now, on the 1st of January 2022, if you see the planetary position, Moon is there on the Jyeshtha star of Mercury. So you can see Ketu along with Moon and Mars on Scorpio. On Sagittarius you can see Sun along with Venus, and at Capricorn Saturn as a ruler along with Mercury, and Jupiter is there at the Aquarius and Rahu is there at Taurus. This is the position of the planets during the year 1st of January 2022. And you see on 31st of December 2022, the position, as you see, Jupiter moves from Aquarius to Pisces, and you can see Moon is along with Rahu at Aries, Mars is there at Taurus, and Ketu is there at Libra. And in Sagittarius you can see Sun and Mercury, and in Capricorn Venus is there along with Saturn. So during that period it is Ashwini star, that is star of Ketu. So this is a position at the end of the year. On the beginning of the year, where Moon is seated at the Mercury star and Mercury is along with Saturn, and Saturn being a ruler there, and Saturn is associated with the Mercury, a standalone planet. It gives positive effects to the Saturn. So it gives Saturn a much powerful positive energy. So you can see this year starts in a very positive note. Same way, the end of the year, Venus makes Saturn more positive. So the effects we can see from Saturn during the beginning and the end of the year, Saturn becomes very calm and it is more functionally positive. We can see a lot of changes during this year. Good things can happen. Many job opportunities and Saturn being the ruler at the 10th house and with a very positive note. Rahu being functionally strong at Aries, which is the house of Mars. This year we can expect a lot of changes in the land reforms. Many land reforms will get introduced and a lot of land related problems may creep up, especially due to the landsliding problem, earthquakes. Major natural calamities are based on the land. The land price might increase, so we can expect a slight inclination in the price of land, and there are many regulations also. You can see on Pisces, Jupiter is there, so there are opportunity from foreign countries, and our country can get good revenue out of the trade. As Saturn aspects the Jupiter at Pisces, in certain places there may be a symptom of war. So you can see there may be some disturbances between certain countries which may lead to a small civil war or somewhere. Jupiter aspecting 4th, 6th and 8th houses as per the Kalapurusha Tattva. So the major places which becomes highly strong, we can expect a good investments return during this period. Share market may rise up, there will be good amount of inflow of money, foreign investments might increase, and it aspects the 6th house. Our country can grow better, win out of certain challenges and lead in certain places. Enmities will get decreased during this time. Lot of foreign investments can happen during this time. Lot of good things can also happen. Many job opportunities help the people unemployed to get employment. There are good employment opportunities. Good regulations in the agriculture side. So some of the positive note which we can expect in 2022. Now let us see for each and every zodiac sign the impact of the 2022 based on the planets. Aries, the first zodiac sign. For Aries, this 2022 seems to be really comfortable for them. There are plenty of job opportunities. Those who are seeking for good job opportunities, this is the right time they can apply and get a dream job. Those who are already working in a company, there are chances during this period they may get promotion, they may get transfers to different places. There are chances that some of them might get into a supervisory role. Some of the positive things happen because Saturn is associated with the 10th house, the ruler, and it is being functionally driven by the positive planets Mercury as well as Venus in majority of the time. Also, if you see Jupiter aspecting the 3rd, 5th and 7th houses, those who are looking for a married life, this period seems to be highly favorable for them. They can get married, some may get good alliances, they settle down in their life. This is a right time for business opportunities also. Those who are doing their own business, especially in the areas of civil and marketing and medicines, this is the right time they can flourish. Doctors, the right time for them. Their hard work will yield very good results. This particular year, many doctors may emerge and they start their new business. Doctors associated with the government hospitals, a good time for them to get the name and fame. Those who are working in the police force as well as in army, this particular zodiac sign, they get good appreciation for their efforts they made till this date. Those who are doing in the construction business, the right time for them to find a good renovations. They can get into some renovations of buildings. They will get some good inflow of money. As I had already told in the beginning of this video, many land reforms may get introduced. So the structure of houses, the way out it has to be built. So there are many reforms that will be enforced by the states as well as by the central government also. So Mars seems to be the highly powerful planet for the Aries. So those who belong to this particular zodiac sign, Mars can definitely help them to succeed in their life. From April onwards, Jupiter will aspect on 4th house, 6th house and 8th houses. So now this is the time their investments will get into a good results. Those who are willing to purchase land or building, this particular period they may invest into land and they can construct their own house. Some may move to the new houses. They will build a new house and they shift their existing place to a new place. So right time for the mother, the health of the mother will get improved during this time, and a lot of business opportunities can come for them. Those who are interested in the share market, this is the right time they can invest and get good gains. Investing in gold and silver and other ornaments can also yield better results from April onwards. Those who are working in companies, the enmities will get reduced from April. So those who are enemies, they'll become friends to them and they'll be more supportive also. The diseases will get reduced. Struggling with chronic diseases, it will get reduced after April. We can see some of the health improvements after April. So this is because of Jupiter aspecting the 6th houses. And also Jupiter aspects the 8th house, so it gives more strength to them. So as the 8th house itself is Scorpio, Mars is a ruler for both Aries as well as Scorpio. This period they can get loans sanctioned. Those who are lended money, the right time for them to get the money back. Especially those in the construction field, aeronautics field, and scientists, they will get good business during this time. So they will get popularity among the public, especially in the social media. Those who are in the press, those who are doing the social media as a tool for the promotion of business, this time it is very helpful for them to grow the business in social media. There will be good support from the parents. There may be good support from the life partners also. So this period, those who are divorced, there are chances they can rejoin. Those who are having a dispute in the family, the right time they can again rejoin. So initial first 3 months there may be struggle in the family life, but at the same time, once Rahu moves to the Aries, the family life will become very smooth and the communication will become improved. And those who are working with communication as a base, the right time for them during this period, this particular year, it will be very much helpful for them, and they can bring a lot of business, and then they can grow with high heights. As you see, this year, Mercury is being the strongest planet, starts with his own planet, the Lord for the 3rd house as well as the 6th house. So they can win out of their enemies, their hard work, their efforts will get fruitful results. Those who are in the communication field, those who want to do a mobile as well as that network technologies, this particular period they can earn a lot. They can find a lot of new opportunities, and especially as Rahu is very strong in the as Aries itself, new inventions can happen in medicine field as well as in the technology field. So those who are in the IT sector, they'll invent some new things. Chances there are many new things can be found out during this particular year, and ecological team can find a lot of things, a lot of new things from the earth. So new discoveries can happen during this particular year. This all credit, most of them are based on either on Aries as well as Scorpio zodiac sign. Jupiter is very strong on the 12th house, so some of them can travel abroad. Those who are waiting for the job opportunities from any foreign countries, this particular year, they can enter into their dream country. They can apply to those countries and then they can find a job there. Those who are aspiring for studies in abroad, this particular year they can achieve this, as Jupiter is very strong at the 12th house. Also Saturn aspecting this particular 12th house. As Rahu is associated with the zodiac directly, there may be some health issues, so they should be careful in the health related problems. They should attend to the doctor. If there is any problem they find in the health, they should immediately check and do the medical checkup and visit the doctors and take the guidance from the doctors and take the adequate medicines in time. So they should not leave it just like that. Again, Saturn, the 10th house, may give some of the troubles in terms of knee problem, joint pains and all. These are some of the difficulties which they face. So now if you see the position of major planets, Saturn is at the 10th house and it is very strong there. So there are some cases it may give some bad effects also. and in 12th house Jupiter will give a partially good and partially bad effects. Rahu is associated with the zodiac sign Aries directly, so it may impact certain health issues, so they should be careful in the health related problems. If you see the 4th house and 7th house, these two houses are being parallelly aspected by Jupiter as well as Saturn in majority of the period. So we'll have a mixed effect on both the houses. That is, in 4th house, if you see the assets, purchase of assets, mother's health issues, it will have both the positive and negative signs. Some of the time they may be better, they feel relaxed and they'll be very confident, and some of the time they feel really sick, they'll have some problems also. It is like day and night, they have both the positive and negative effects coming one above the other. So again, if you are doing any investments, you should be careful, because one way it gives gain and another way it gives some losses also. So it depends upon the present position of the Dasa and Mahadasa, and if you have a very strong Dasa and Mahadasa, the position of planets may not do much impact. But if you do not have a proper Dasa and Mahadasa running, they will have definitely will impact into the personal life. Now if you see the 3rd house, 5th, 6th and 8th houses, these houses seems to be a better results. You can see they have good results because Jupiter aspecting these places, and Saturn is not at all connected with these places. So the hard work, it will get good results. There may be good support for the children. Children will study well, and they have a good relationship with the friends, and even the enemies will turn out to be the friends. As the 8th house is also equally good, so they can borrow money, they can get loan from the bank, they can lend money. Out of lending the money, they can get the returns also. So investments can help them a lot. You see the blue boxes, the 2nd house, the 9th house and the 11th house seems to be average. So these places are really good. There is nothing bad on that, because none of the planet is having a major impact on these houses. So they can settle down in the life. The communication becomes very good, and they can win out of certain cases. They are very lucky during this time. They can get good support from the father and the father's side family. If you say the 11th house, there will be good support from their brothers and sisters. They can get good income in the work they do. Also in the business, they can find good profit, as the profit house being very average. You can't expect more. At the same time, you can get a good benefit on these houses, that is in 2nd and 9th and 11th houses. So considering all the impact, all the planetary positions, the impact seems to be positive results of 80% for Aries zodiac sign during 2022.